Hey folks, I'm back for another update on the garage. And I'm sure you can see behind me the garage wall, what I've done to it. Let me show you, let me explain what's going on. Alright. So right down there is where the major problem is. You can see right there, those bricks on that side have broken loose from here. And right along the seam, right here, it's sort of caving in. I'm not sure if you can get a real glimpse of how caved in it is or how much is coming in. But this black stuff here was me trying to seal it up. There's dirt on the other side of this wall up to about here. And then it's rest is above ground. And so the dirt outside is pushing in on the wall. So they've got to dig a channel, a ditch on the outside to get the dirt away from the wall so that they can knock these bricks out or push them out or whatever they're going to do. But as you can see, the bottom, I don't know what you'd call it, baseboards are rotted out. And see that one right over there, the big one? That is the main beam that goes across the garage. And it is not sitting on anything right now. So they're going to have to put a support to the wall to support the weight of the roof, or this roof, the ceiling. They're going to have to put a support there while they do this. And then once this wall is done, they plan on, or at least one contractor plans on, doing this cinder block on the inside and doing away with about 4 feet of studs and putting a header here on top of the bricks, on top of the cinder block, and just doing the whole bottom half of the wall in cinder block and putting these on a new header on top of the cinder block. The last contractor I talked to yesterday, he hasn't come back to me with a bid yet or a quote. The first guy that came out and looked at it, he wanted I think it was $12,000. But what I asked him what it would cost if I did the digging on the outside and bought all the materials I would need, and he knocked it down to $8,700. The bricks are only $1.50 a piece, and I need I'm not really sure, probably about 60 or so, and then sheetrock, and they're gonna they would find the bricks for the outside, these bricks, find some more ore, clean these up. But they're also talking about once they take these bricks out, and yes, you're probably along my same lines of thought. What happens when they take these bricks out? Do these ones fall? We don't know. But once they take those out, they're talking about putting cinder block or some kind of brick other than these along here to replace these. Stronger bricks, probably, bigger bricks. But anyhow, that's where I'm at now. So we have to find out how much it's going to be and go from there. But anyhow, I just figured I'd give you an update of what's going on. It doesn't look good right now. Plus, this is this is the biggest project on the house to get ready for rent. But also, this is probably going to delay me getting on the road. It depends on the cost and when they can get started, but it's looking more and more like it's going to be March before I get on the road. I hope that doesn't pan out that way, but it's looking closer and closer to that. Anyhow, just figured I'd give you an update on what's going on. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you at the next update.